Stop studying so hard. I'm serious. This might be the reason you're not improving. Because what if I told you, the more effort you put in the wrong way, the more you're actually training your brain to forget. You sit for hours, reading the same page again and again, highlighting almost every line like it's important. Your eyes move, your brain feels busy, but nothing is actually going in. And at the end of the day, you feel tired, not because you learned a lot, but because you spent so much time doing something that felt productive, but wasn't. Days start to blur together. Same desk, same books, same confusion. You promise yourself, tomorrow I'll do better. But tomorrow looks exactly the same. And slowly, it starts to break you. The pressure builds up. The frustration gets louder. You're trying harder than ever before, yet your results just don't match your effort. So what's the problem? It's not that you're lazy. It's not that you're not trying enough. It's that no one taught you how to study. Because studying isn't about time. It's about technique. And the moment you change your method, everything starts to feel different. Smart students don't just read information. They force their brain to pull it back out. They close the book and ask themselves, can I actually remember this? They don't rush through topics. They slow down and think. They connect ideas, ask questions, and turn information into understanding. And instead of cramming everything in one night, they come back to it again and again over time. Because your brain doesn't learn by pressure. It learns by repetition and space. And then something crazy happens. Things start to click faster. You feel more confident, more in control. Studying stops feeling like a burden and starts feeling easier. So stop measuring your progress by hours. Stop thinking more time means more results. Start focusing on how you study, not how long. Because that's the difference between staying stuck and actually improving.